So far, we have explored fundamental cybersecurity concepts such as the CIA triad, security domains, and risk management. But there is one critical skill every cybersecurity analyst must develop: thinking like an attacker. This does not mean becoming a criminal. It means understanding how someone attempts to break a system. Because if you understand how attacks happen, you can build stronger defenses. A normal user uses a system to perform tasks. An attacker uses the same system to find weaknesses. The user sees functionality. The attacker sees opportunities. For example, a login page for a user is simply a way to access the system. But for an attacker, that same page is a place to test passwords, inject code, or trick the system. Imagine a website with a login system. A user simply enters a username and password, but an attacker asks different questions. Is there a limit on login attempts? Does the system use multi-factor authentication? Are passwords stored securely? Can manipulated input be submitted? These questions represent the attacker mindset. To better understand attacks, professionals use attack models. These models describe the stages attackers typically follow. One well-known model is the cyber kill chain. It divides an attack into multiple phases. Understanding these phases helps defenders detect attacks early. Let's look at a simple example. An attacker wants to infiltrate a company. First, they perform reconnaissance. They search for public information about the organization. Next, they identify vulnerabilities. Then, they send a phishing email to an employee. If the employee clicks the link, the attacker gains access. Finally, they move inside the network to steal data. This process happens frequently in real attacks. Security analysts must anticipate attacks. If they understand attacker behavior, they can detect suspicious activity early. For example, an analyst may detect multiple failed login attempts. This may indicate a brute force attack. Early detection can prevent system compromise. Many modern attacks follow a similar pattern. An attacker enters through phishing, then installs malware. Next, they escalate privileges. Finally, they encrypt systems with ransomware. If analysts detect the attack early, they can stop it before major damage occurs. The attacker mindset involves analyzing systems to find weaknesses. Cybersecurity professionals must develop the same mindset to anticipate threats. Understanding attacks allows defenders to build stronger protections. Security is not only about tools, it is about understanding adversary behavior. Thinking like an attacker is one of the most important skills in cybersecurity. When you understand how systems are attacked, you can defend them far more effectively. In the next video, we will continue exploring the foundations of security analysis. Understand, defend, grow.